Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Begin on a compatible device with your YouTube TV account signed in. First, open the YouTube TV app and choose a live channel you want as primary. Once done, look for the Multiview icon or the split screen option in the player controls. Tap it. This kicks off Multiview mode and creates the initial grid. Make sure your internet is stable. Multiview streams multiple feeds concurrently, so bandwidth matters for smooth playback. Now expand the grid by tapping any empty slot and pick another live channel, DVR recording, or a guide entry. This populates the Multiview. Once feeds appear, drag to reorder panes or use the swap control. This helps prioritize what you watch. For audio, select the pane you want to hear. YouTube TV routes sound to one active window, so pick the most important feed. Also, consider reducing resolution if buffering happens. Lower quality reduces bandwidth per feed. Without stop, finish by locking or pinning any pane you must monitor, then resize or make one pane full screen as needed. When you're done, exit Multiview with the close control or go full screen on a single channel. If video stutters, first check your network speed. Multiview needs extra throughput, then restart the app and sign back in. If that fails, update the device firmware or the YouTube TV app. These simple fixes resolve most playback or compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.